So remember, when we start solving equations, the first thing we want to do is simplify both sides of the equal sign. So on the left side, if we notice we have the 5 times x minus 5, we're going to distribute that first. And that's kind of the generic start for when you have parentheses in your equation. So here we go. So we got 5 times x makes 5x, and then a minus 5 times 5 makes 25 there. Now the right-hand side, it's already all cleaned up. It's good. So we just recopy that down there. Now that we have both sides simplified, now we do isolate the variable. So if we notice we have 5x on the left and 2x on the right-hand side, we have x's on both sides of the equal sign. So we don't want that. We just want x's on one side or the other. So let's say we wanted x's on the left here. We don't want these 2x's here. So we are going to undo the 2x's on the right-hand side with a minus 2x's to both sides. So it looks kind of like this. So now we just go left to right. 5x minus 2x makes 3x's. We still got the minus 25, the equals, and then check this out, 2x minus 2x, no more x's, just the minus 13. And now we have the basic two-step equation. We want to get x by itself, so we're gonna undo the minus 25 with a plus 25 to both sides. So it looks like that. So that leaves us with 3x's, no more 25s, equals negative 13 plus 25 is gonna make a 12. Next up, undo the 3 being multiplied to the x with a divide by 3 to both sides. So 3 over 3, that makes 1x right there. And then 12 divided by 3 makes 4. And there's the value for x that makes this equation true.